Rucini rwa umuthi minista wa ugitiri wa thi-ini Kithure Kindiki arokire kuhingura wabici ya munini wa kamisina tauni-ini ya Miharati na thutha ucio agia na kanya ga kwaraniria na aikari hamwe na atongoria haria maitikire kuheana mathina mao. Thina wa uici wa mahiu, unyihu wa maabitha a borithi hamwe na moritu maria maabitha wathani wa matura makoretwo magitungana namo ni mamwe ma mathina maria magwetetwo gukorwo muhinga munene wa gutherema kwa matura matiganite. Mubunge mutumia Faith Gitau ni agwetete unyihu wa ngari cia maabitha a ugitiri ta muhinga munene guoka ni kugacirithia ugitiri wa muingi.
Changamoto letu hapa Nyandarua concerning security ni maneno ya kukosa gari za police for moving around and especially at night. Hatuna magari. Tafadhali tuangalilie hiyo.
Thutha wa mateta maya mothe, Minister Kindiki augite ni maguikara thi na gutigirira aruti wira othe a thirikari rungu rwa ministry no ni marumbuyo.
Na mimi nataka niwahakikishie wakazi wa hapa ya kwamba tutafanya kazi, wale maafisa wetu wako hapa usiku na mchana kuhakikisha tumeangamiza utovu wa usalama na wizi wa mifugo ambao unaendelea katika sehemu hii.
Kithure ni eraniire wirutiri wao hari kugacirithia ugitiri wa bururi, muingi ugithingatwo gwitikira kunyitanira na maabitha a borithi hamwe na wathani wa matura niguo gukinyaniria ugitiri mwega.
We want to work towards reduction of crime statistics, and therefore we will make sure that the assistant chief, the chief, the ACC, the DCC, the county commissioner who achieves better results in crime prevention and reducing the crime statistics, we will have a reward system of making sure that we boost their morale even as we look at their promotions.
Ihinda-ini o riu Kithure ni akinyiriirie wihotori wao hari kuhurana na njohi ngananie, akiuga uria kunyitikana ndakwerisha makinya mahiu ma watho.
We are going to be extremely ruthless with those who are selling toxic substances and cheap alcohol laced with dangerous chemicals in this area.
Thirikari ni eraniire kuhuthira njira ciothe cia gutigirira ati muingi uri na thayu. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma Kipipiri Nyandarua, nie njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa wira.